Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we'll be doing a part 2 of growing your booty. You guys have been asking about it, requesting it, loving the video, so here I am to show you more exercises in order to help grow that booty. So if you haven't seen part 1, I will link it down in the description below, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so now we're jumping right into it. The donkey kick back to fire hydrant guys. So as you can see, you're going to be on all fours guys. You're going to bend that leg, lift it up. When you come down, put it to the side guys. This exercise is great to glow those glutes max guys, as well as the side booty to make your buns rounder and stronger. Okay, I'm going to do 3 sets of 10. Remember, once you finish this first set, move on to the next leg.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So now we're jumping right into the next exercise, guys. This is the kneeling squat, guys. This is a great glute exercise. So instead of pushing off your knees, focus on pushing through your hips, guys. Remember to squeeze at the top when you come up, okay? You will definitely feel the burn. I'm going to do 3 sets of 10 for this one.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Okay guys, so now we're jumping right into it, the squat hold abduction guys. So for this exercise guys, you're going to get into squat position and really focus on pushing your knees out and in. Okay, we're going to do 3 sets of 10 for this. Okay guys, so now we're jumping into the final exercise. This is a pause mini squat jump. Okay, so as you can see, you're going to get into squat position guys. You're going to pause 2 times and then jump up. Okay, so just like what I'm doing in the video, you're going to pause 2 times and then jump up. Okay, I'm going to do 3 sets of 10 for this one.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.